So we started our journey about 12 months ago, about this time last year when Vaudeville was here. We primarily took Board on as a budgeting and forecasting tool to basically do away with a lot of the manual spreadsheets and I suppose facilitate a wider breadth of knowledge across a wider group of people. It's really good. I think the tool itself is very powerful. It's very easy to use. It's probably one of those things where I don't think the journey ever ends. I think it's one of those tools that you constantly find opportunities to improve it and enhance what you can use it for. So we've been really happy with it so far. So we're a wealth management platform. So if you think of financial advisors and financial planners, they use our platform to invest in various products. It primarily supports the whole group, but it's a finance tool as such at the moment. The biggest learning has probably been to learn the system. I think that's the key. Is it's like, particularly being a finance team that's used spreadsheets extensively across our careers. Putting your faith then in a tool like Board, it does take a little bit of a mind change as well, and I think that's been interesting, and I think it's been good. It's having that more robust structure and working with it. It's probably enabled us as a finance team to answer more questions from the business, really, and provide that more granular level of insight. Its ability to sort of handle a large data set and then our ability to analyse that. It's not something you can do in Excel or in spreadsheets. So having that and then be able to run multiple scenarios off the back of that has just, it's given the business has got a lot more confidence in what we can offer and come to us for a lot more requirements, I guess. So it probably puts us in a much more valued position within the company. And seeing my team get that recognition has been, very satisfying for me, and pretty proud of it.